I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Copilot transcription and confirming permission to record. Once done, join the meeting and select the Copilot transcribe option. Don't delay. Make sure input devices are set. Pick the primary microphone and test levels quickly. If multiple speakers will join, enable speaker separation or label prompts. Begin recording immediately after introductions to capture context. You're actively reducing later editing by grabbing clean audio now. So act fast and verify the live transcript appears in the Copilot pane. As the meeting runs, you monitor the live transcript and correct obvious misheard terms so Copilot learns context. If you notice recurring errors, use brief clarifications, say names or acronyms slowly so the model adapts. Make sure to tag speakers when roles switch and insert inline markers like action or decision to flag items. Once done, use timestamps for key moments. They make review efficient. You'll limit post-meeting editing by steering the transcript while the conversation is fresh. You finish by reviewing the full transcript and cleaning up misaligned text. Correct names, punctuation, and split paragraphs for readability. Then export the file to your preferred format and ask Copilot to generate a concise summary with assigned action items. If the transcription quality is poor, reprocess the recorded audio or re-record critical snippets with improved mic placement. Make sure to check permissions if export fails. One quick troubleshooting tip: low accuracy often means poor input audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.